back, my YouTube friends and family, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have two separate job leads in this video, and these job leads come from a request in the comments. I saw, is it yesterday or the day before? Over the last few days, someone left in the comments about quality assurance positions for reviewing customer service calls. So you're not actually on the phone taking the calls, but you are listening to customer service calls, either past calls that have been recorded, or you're listening in while a customer service rep is on the phone talking, and you are grading that phone call so that you can give feedback to that customer service rep. So with that being said, if there's anything specific that you're looking for, feel free to leave that in the comments. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those, and I keep a list of things I know people are looking for. Sometimes it can take a while because I can't magically make jobs pop up out of nowhere, but I do continue to go through that list and be on the lookout for anything people are looking for. And if I do see something pop up, I will share. But moving right along, our first job lead is from the company EOI Service. Now, they only have 11 reviews on Glassdoor, so please make sure you do your own research on these companies. But out of those reviews they have a 4.1 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a quality assurance specialist. Now, this is a fully remote work from home. I do believe these are both only for the United States. But they are basically looking for somebody to provide guidance to their customer service team, monitoring, rating, and providing relevant feedback to the Benefit Support Center counseling team regarding call handling performance and making sure that they are handling everything with the highest level of quality. So you'll be monitoring the calls within the Benefit Support Center for standard of quality completion per the company guidelines. You're going to provide structured feedback to the counselors. You'll participate in case trainings and chats, as well as monthly counselor training events. You'll assess the quality adherence criteria for the QA audit forms, and you'll prepare for and actively participate in call calibration sessions when needed. So these jobs are going to be great if you have great customer service skills, but you don't want to be on the phone all day providing customer service. Another way to use those skills is to provide feedback and help coach others to gain those skills. Now, these jobs don't require any college degree. They're just looking for a high school diploma or GED. They prefer somebody who has a residence license in life and health insurance, but that is not required, just preferred. Someone who has 2 to 3 years sales or customer service call center experience. They want somebody who is tech savvy and has a basic computer knowledge. And of course, you've got to have those strong communication skills. Now, this company is going to provide all the computer equipment you need to do the job, and they are paying anywhere from $18 to $20 an hour. Next up, we have the company Moda Health. Now, Moda Health has 228 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.1 out of 5-star rating. And one thing to quickly note about Moda Health, you do have to, when you first load the page, it's going to pop up asking you to search positions. You do have to scroll down a little bit. The job posting is actually under all of that. Now, they are hiring a quality audit specialist to work from home also. This is going to be in select states though. It's going to be for Arkansas, Arizona, Idaho, Oregon, Texas, and Washington State. But if you live in one of those states, they are looking for someone to provide accurate and quality audits for their customer service channels. That's the online chat, inbound and outbound phone calls, and emails for all lines of their customer service business, medical, dental, pharmacy, benefit solutions, all of that. You'll be monitoring customer contacts by selecting call recordings, voicemails, or emails, online chat transcriptions to ensure compliance with state and federal policies, and you'll provide feedback and maintain quality assurance on all methods of those contact lines. So again, this is one where you're just grading and giving feedback to the customer service reps who's handled those calls. Now again, this position is only requiring a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who's 6 months to 2 years of some kind of health insurance or claims processing experience. experience, someone who has great communication skills, someone who can be a problem solver, someone who can type at least 25 words per minute, someone who has great organizational skills, great communication skills, and of course you have to be able to use those Microsoft programs like Excel, Word, all of those things. Now, if you scroll all the way to the bottom here, this position is paying anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $23 an hour. And of course, they do also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, as stated in the beginning of this video, if you are looking for anything specific, leave that in the comments below. Also, if you have any feedback on how I can make these job lead videos more helpful for you, please leave that down below as well. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.